We're back. What I'm going to show you now is how to add a field validation in your Power App. So in order to do that, you have to go to your edit screen. As you can see, we're already here. As an example, I'm going to use the employee phone data card. So we have to adjust. I have already adjusted the data card to accommodate the text label. In order to add the text label, you can insert the text label, then try to align it to make it much more tidier. So validations are used to guide the users if they're trying to input the correct format or not. So here, let's adjust the text size, maybe 13. Let's go for red and an orange background. Let's try to also put it in the middle. All right, so basically the guide is supposed to be looking like uh, so this one we're using Canadian phone number format, but you can also adjust it based on the region you're coming from. Okay, so it's still too large. Let's try to adjust that. Okay, that's one better. All right, so next, what we're going to do is go on to the visible. Usually you have to adjust it in the advance and you have to unlock this portion, the text label. I have already unlocked that one because automatically the app or tree view, once you're here, uh, it it asks you to unlock the text label. Oh, before I forgot, it's good to have a hint. Hint is oh, hint is right here. It's on the input box or the card value, data card value. Okay, so what do we want? Usually, let's just type in how the format should be. It's just a hint. Alright, so I think that's it. Go back to the text label, visible, and in order for it to work, like this. So before I type in anything, I want to discuss a bit about regular expressions. So regular expressions are, say, codes wherein so basically it's a set of characters that defines a string or a pattern. So there are such good resources in order, but if you are familiar with it, you can type it. You can just write down your code in order for you to define those. But if you're not too familiar, we got different resources. Microsoft has a resource uh, with regards to this, using is match. Um, Also, other resources like you can type in, for example, phone. This is what I got from one of the sources that from my reference, which is Field Gold from Lincoln Learning. This was the one that I got from him as well. So I'm not too savvy in terms of coding, but there's always resources in order, and there's a workaround such stuffs. So let's find the best fit for our need. So I think this one's the perfect fit. So let's type in the if statement. We want to code that if the user has entered the correct code, the validation error, the validation text message, or text label will be gone. But if it's incorrect, the validation message will always pop out. So for this one, I do believe it should match the data card value name. So it's right here. We can change that usually, but for the purposes of being fast, let's just capture it as it is. So, and then text, then comma, preceded by yes, and then just copy paste your code, station again to end it. And then let's close it with this, comma, false, comma, true. Let's see if it works. So we're missing a few digits. It's there, but let's try to complete. Gone. So that's how you work your way to adding data validation in your uh, Power App. So yeah, on to the next video.